Aya ni amwe a aciari a thukuru wa imwana wa Upper Hill aria mekorokete thukuru-ini uyu makienda kumenya niki kiraria kingi thutha wa Arutwo matanyihiire mirongo kenda na atano gutwarwo thibitari-ini wa Bagathi muthenya wa Kiumia ni undu wa kuharwo na gutahika. Ona gutuika kurekuagirwo ni mututhuko wa murimu wa kuharwo gatema, ndeto ino ndirirekirwo mukonde kuona maumirira ma ithimi matiumite. No gikundi kia mbere kia Arutwo mararigitwo thina wa amiba. Arutwo ikumi na umwe nio makomete thibitari-ini cia Savannah na South Bay ta uria Karongunu murugamiriri wa mihango ya kurigereria mirimu Nairobi aratariria.
The diagnosis is amoebiasis, and so they are on antibiotics and they are also on some oral rehydration salts. They are expected not to be in class to rest and take the medication. We are investigating what could have been the original cause or source of that infection. We, as the health department, have also taken samples to be able to culture for cholera. So we did rapid tests and they turned negative, but we did not want to stop at that. So we have taken samples and we'll culture, and by tomorrow we'll be able to have confirmation if any of the students could have that. But as at now, our diagnosis is that it's amoebiasis, and that was what our labs so far have proven.
Umwe wa maafitha githomo kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Rosemary Jogwa kiuga korwo ni mututhuko wa murimu wa kuharwo gatema urari kuo thukuru uyu ni ungihingitwo akiuga mitaratara ni miarire ya gutigerera irio na mai ni theru.
We know that there is an outbreak of cholera, and so cholera is quite alarming, and if it were cholera in this school, for sure we would have closed the school, because you cannot manage cholera in a school. In fact, cholera patients are quarantined.
We were not panicking. We were in charge. As usual, whenever a student complains of anything regarding touching on sickness, we have a clinic here and a clinical officer who attends to them. Yesterday we had officers from the Ministry of Health who went through the process of examining everybody who had complaints. So anybody who was found maybe to have a case of diarrhea or anything, they were all placed on medication.
No kuringana na amwe a aciari, ciana ciao ni ikoretwo igiteta kumana na thina wa nda kuona gatano ga kiumia kihituku kuria Arutwo matwaritwo thibitari. Aciari aya ni mokiriirio rugamiriri wa thukuru uyu ni undu wa kumaiga nduma-ini kumana na githagathago giki.
Supply of water from our borehole. There is no cause for alarm about water.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwirori.